Are you looking for a quick way to earn some cash? Test websites and make $50 in no time. Hey, freelancers, want to earn $50 fast? Here's how you can do it by testing websites. First, sign up on platforms like User Testing or Try My UI. It's easy and free. Just enter your email, create a password, and you're in. Next, you'll need to qualify. Just complete a sample test to show you can follow instructions. Don't worry, it's super simple. Once approved, you'll start getting test invites. Each test takes about 20 minutes. All you have to do is visit a website, complete tasks, and record your feedback. Be honest and speak clearly. Companies love detailed feedback, and guess what? You get paid for your opinion. Payments are usually sent via PayPal within a week. So if you do 3 tests, that's $50 in your pocket. So what are you waiting for? Sign up, start testing, and watch the cash roll in. Easy money, right? Happy testing and happy earning. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.